That's our pumpkin spice ice cream in our crock pot. Now I'm gonna come in with my chocolate chips, and we're gonna add this whole bag of chocolate chips right around our ice cream. Now this might seem a little strange, but it's gonna be super yummy, super easy, and you're gonna wanna make it every year for either Halloween or Thanksgiving. And we're gonna add 1 bag of our white chocolate chips right on top of our milk chocolate chips. I have some sweetened condensed milk that we're gonna use. We're just gonna sprinkle this right on top of that ice cream, those chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. I absolutely love making this every season. You just need a few ingredients all in your crock pot, and you have a sweet treat that everyone will love. Great for a party, great for potluck, great for anything. We're gonna go ahead and grab a spatula so we can make sure we get all of that sweetened condensed milk out, because I want this to be extra sweet. Now, if you don't like it too sweet, you can skip the sweetened condensed milk altogether, but that is just not my play with this. This is a sweet treat. And to make sure we really have that spice flavor in this, I am going to add some pumpkin pie spice right in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that right on there. Yummy. You can add as little or as much as you like. And we really want to make sure that the chocolate shines. So I'm going to bring my chocolate Hershey's syrup, and we're going to do a drizzle of the chocolate syrup right on top of everything. It's almost like we're making a sundae in our crock pot, but this is going to be so much better. Now, I found that pumpkin spice ice cream at my natural grocers, which is not my usual grocery store, but it probably will become mine because that ice cream sounds incredible. All right, I think that's enough chocolate in there. You can always add more if you want. But now we're gonna bring in our whole milk, and we're using the organic, but you can use whatever milk preference you want. And we're gonna add a generous amount of our milk right into our crock pot. We're gonna kind of just fill it up until we meet that ice cream. Beautiful. All right, and this sweet treat is ready to get cooking. I know we're cooking ice cream, call me crazy, but this is gonna be really good. We're gonna go ahead and put this on high and let everything get melted and delicious. All right, so it's been 2 hours on high, and I mixed it every 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm and put it to the side so we can get our cup ready. And I just have a cute little mug here, and I'm gonna grab a dish and some orange sprinkles. You can use whatever color you want. I just feel like orange goes with the pumpkin theme. And in order to get that to stick, I have my marshmallow cream, which I think is just so much more fun than traditional marshmallows. We're gonna grab our cream, and we are going to add it to the rim of our mug. Perfect. And now we can dip it. Look how cute that looks.
Ooh, it's super cute.
All right, now we can go and check out our pumpkin hot chocolate. Yeah, that's what we are making. Pumpkin hot cocoa made out of ice cream. And we're just gonna give it one last stir. It looks so chocolatey and rich. It smells like pumpkin spice heaven. Oh my goodness. Now you can add some like coffee to this if you want. I'm gonna keep it as a hot cocoa because that's the kind of girl I am. And we are gonna fill up.
Ooh, it's steamy.
We have the marshmallow rim, but I think it's missing one more thing, right?
Yep, you know it.
Ready, whip. I did the 0 sugar. Right, and this is just pumpkin spice in a cup. Cannot wait to try it.
Got on your nose.
Wow. Wow. That is such a delicious little treat.